Hi everyone, welcome to Nano Elan and back to manual testing video series. In today's video I am going to talk about what is endurance testing. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. Let's get started. What is endurance testing? This comes under non-functional testing. It is used to check the performance of the system under a specific load condition over an extended period. Here, the system behavior can be evaluated to make sure that the software is capable of handling the extended load without any deterioration of the response. Hence, this type of testing is also known as soak testing. Basically, the endurance testing will be conducted for a longer period of time depending on the requirements, which can be 12 hours or 72 hours or even more. Thus, the endurance testing makes it different from other types of performance testing, which include stress or load testing, and it monitors the stability of the system over a prolonged period of time. As we already discussed, it is a type of non-functional testing, and automation tools like Apache JMeter, LoadRunner, Appavance IQ, etc. are used to perform this type of testing. One can schedule it during the weekends since this has to run for a longer period of time without any interruption. Memory leak, connectivity issues, response and time degradation, etc. are the major issues found in endurance testing. Here, the performance degradation and memory utilization are closely monitored in this testing to identify potential leaks and weak spots. The ideal time to start endurance testing would be before deployment and after the load testing. That's all for today's video. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.